So hi everybody, my name is Lillian McCoy and I'm co-founder and CEO of Mipango, which is a localized personal finance management and robo advisory app and software as a service. So this is Mary. She has an income. She has made some investments, has a formal bank account, has emergency fund, as well as manageable debt. And she's able to do all this because she's financially literate. And with this, she has aspirations to take a loan to grow her business, as well as finance her personal goals. On the other hand, we have Maria, similar brackets, 27 years old. She has but does not have a formal bank account, keeps her savings at home, no investment and heavy debt. And due to this, she has limited financial growth, as well as options to finance her business ambitions and personal development goals. So we have over 80% of the Tanzania adult population, which is women and youth, who have the same problem that Maria has. And the problem is caused by low financial literacy, poor spending habit, in access to financial resources, as well as heavy debt. So to help the likes of Maria, we have created Mipango App, which enables users to track their income and expenses across cash, bank, and mobile money transactions, as well as use e-wallet feature to automatically track all their expenses. And then with that, they're able to analyze, get analysis and reports of their income and expenses. And AI would analyze their transactions that they've recorded and then communicate back financial advisory or advice that is personalized based on the data that they have. So let's say they've recorded a health expense, they've gone to a hospital and used cash to pay for their medical bill. The system will be able to detect that this person does not have health insurance, and in turn pick a product from within our product rack and recommend a health insurance product that this person can afford, as well as it meets their family size and essentially their needs. Or we see that a person has recorded a goal of building a house, and from our product rack, we know that they qualify for a mortgage product provided by Bank X. The system will automatically promote that product or recommend that product to the customer so that they can take up a mortgage and eventually build their house, and promise the bank that this person, based on certain data, they are certain to pay back the loan. And then, with that, we recommend financial products from our bank partners that these customers qualify for and they need. We also link them to investment opportunities that fit their financial literacy level, as well as their income, and personalized financial education content. All of this is available in mobile application for individual users, the unbanked, as well as software for banks, where they can pick features that they want us to customize for their bank application that they're already in the market. So we are saying the market is ready because in Africa, out of 1.4 billion people, about 250 million have smartphones, and 750 million have, are connected generally. In Tanzania, out of 60 million people, 19 million are smartphone users, again, because our application needs a smartphone, as well as 35 million use mobile money and 8 million are banked. So this leaves us with a B2C total addressable market of $200 million and B2B total addressable market of $59 million. We launched our pilot in July 2020, and to date, we are able to organically activate over 10,000 users, and we have formed a partnership with the leading bank locally in Tanzania, CRDB Bank, which now enables us to launch the e-wallet feature, as well as the financial advisory aspect of the product, again, because we are not a registered bank, or neither do we have a bank license. And then B2B, we are in negotiations again with the same CRDB Bank to pilot our software once it's fully developed, and this will give us access to over 3 million customers. So the competition, there are similar apps already in the market, but we offer more than tracking income and expenses. We have e-wallets, which automatically analyzes or captures the customer expenses and data. We offer financial education, and our solution is provided in local Swahili language, which is a big plus, again, due to the nature of the market, where over 90% of the population are Swahili speakers. And then we help change user spending habits. So while other apps will only tell you where you're going wrong, but not necessarily help you get out of that bad habit. We help you change your spending habit. And then, of course, the product recommendation engine, localized and simplicity for the for the mass market, and our additional business model of software provider to financial institutions. So our go-to-market strategy is rich, but I'd say we plan to formally launch our application upon closing our current seed round. And then, we really rely on digital campaigns to reach our goals, but we do have different strategies and channels for our journey as captured here.
Lillian, 30 seconds left.
Okay, business model is B2C and B2B. We are currently raising $350,000, and we have ambitions to grow into a local digital bank, but as well as create similar product, but application customized for farmers and SMEs. And our team has collectively over 10 years experience in FinTech for Africa with a successful exit in a previous health insurance product. Yeah, thank you.